Welcome back, guys. This is the regular cook who doesn't cook regular. Who miss me? Yeah, me there, man. Long time I don't come on the thing. Today I am doing a jerk chicken breast, but I'm gonna do a different kind of jerk chicken breast. I'm doing stuffed jerk chicken breast, and I'm using a contemporary style cooking. So I'm not going to do it the traditional way. So I'm gonna stuff my chicken breast and I'm gonna cook it with my sous vide. This is a Anova sous vide. It has Bluetooth capabilities, so I can control it from my phone or anywhere. However, I'm using the traditional seasoning for my chicken, and then I'm gonna cook it with the precision cooker. I'm gonna cook it at 149, so it's not too chewy and it's not too soft, and it won't have any pink in it. Yeah, the pink part of chicken kinda not like that. So yeah, 149, and I might cook it for 2 hours or maybe 1.5 hours. So yeah, I made some holes in these chicken. Stuff my chicken with cheese. I'm going to season up these breasts now and everything. So I'm gonna start by adding some salt and pepper. Add the whole black pepper. Now I'm adding my jerk seasoning. This is spicy, so be careful. Yeah guys, now that my chicken is seasoned, I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc. See the nice jerk seasoning on it. Yeah man. Mix one in this bag. Guys, make sure you season your meat properly. You are going to cook the meat in water, so it's gonna sweat, it's gonna steam, and that's gonna mess with the seasoning. So make sure you put extra seasoning. So guys, I just added in some thyme and some liquid smoke. I added like half tablespoon of liquid smoke. This is the liquid smoke I'm using. Right, liquid smoke. You can get it anywhere. General Foods, Rexo, Walmart, wherever. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna add my chicken. You just add your chicken to the sous vide with the bag open. I'm using a Ziploc bag. You can also use a vacuum seal to do this. Vacuum seal bag. So I'm trying to get rid of all the air inside it, as much air as possible. Once I get rid of the air, the chicken will sink. And that's sealed properly. I'm gonna set the time to 1 hour and 30 minutes. And now I'm gonna set my temperature. I just touch the temperature. Setting it to 149 degrees. And that's good. I'm gonna cover my water bath because I don't want any moisture to come out and damaging everything above. For an hour and a half, my chicken is done. this aroma. Wow, smells so good. So yeah, this is my jerk chicken breast, stuffed jerk chicken breast.